Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your Devops SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, Sonarqube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you.
So these are the rules. Now these are the rules which is free. Mind it, I have used the community version. Okay. So rules you can buy from the market also. Lots of rules is available in the market. Different types of rules. Most of the security rules are available paid actually. So you can. These are the rules which is free of cost. So how many rules we have in Java? 6 to 7. Okay. So these are the rules. What are the different types of rules? Here again you can filter. Grid filter is available for the rules. And Java you have 627. And these are the different types of rules. So developers will understand very easily what exactly these rules is doing. And complete documents you have at this place only. So see, if you write a code like this, then it's good. If you write like a code like this, it's not good. Why is not good? Here is the reason. So complete explanations you have been given for that. Why this is the bug? So see here, if you write a code like this, it may create a bug. But if you write a code like this, it will not create a bug. Why? All this complete detail you have it at this place only. Okay, it's good for the developers. So now let's say you want more rules. What to do? So yeah, you can go for the more rules also. So remember that 6 to 7 rules we have in Java. Let's say you want more rules. What to do? Either you buy it, and these rules, I repeat, is in jar format only, jar file only. Okay, so you buy from the market and deploy to extensions directory. Okay, or manually install it through plugins. So how to install the plugins rules through plugins? So go to the administration, go to the marketplace, and here I understand the risk, and now here you can a lot of plugins are available. So there is one portal available dedicated for that, Sonarqube plugin. If you want to study and learn something and find out some plugins, you can use that, this one, sonar plugins dot. So earlier 83 it was there. See, it's 157 now. It's growing actually every day. Okay, so these many features are available. So out of it, some of the features are rules also. So which rules you want? So let me search for rules first. And here, check style I know is for the Java. Okay, is for the Java project. Now check style is for the maintainability rule. It's not security rule. MI is a this is for the bugs. These all are open source. Okay, the one check style. How do you know? So I hope you remember there is one URL which I shared here. So it has all the static code analysis tools written. So go to the Java section. Where is Java? See here, check style, find bugs, PMD. All these many are open source. I'm talking about the mainly open source, but paid are also available. So let me install the check style. install it. So I'm installing the check style rules. So remember that, restart the server. Remember that last time you had 6 to 7 rules, correct now? So just wait for a few seconds. I refresh the UI. Yeah, I think got done. Can we go and check the rules? So I install the more rules. Manually also you can install. Feed the jar file in the extension directory, restart the Sonarqube, and you got the rules. And guys, ADMIN, ADMIN 123, and here. Now tell me how many rules you got it. See here.
Wait
You
one
got it
minute.
all of you? Yeah. So now
Yes.
let me find out how many rules I got it for check style. So check style here 185 newly got added. See, these all are check style rules. Okay, so here you saw the list of projects. Here you saw that list of issues for the projects, which is detected by Sonarqube. And here you have all the rules. So far, so good. Any questions, any doubts?
So this is we have done manually, for the manual project or something like we test it. But in case of
Yes.
Bitbucket, because generally all in the real time projects are always on the repository now, Bitbucket. So we can
Yes.
directly pull via that link that
Ha.
the
The
first.
So you can configure Sonarqube to clone to take the code from directly from the GitHub or Bitbucket also, and that
Right.
functionality is available in the development, not in community. Okay,
Ah, okay.
so that
Okay.
is a
So
paid
that.
functionality. Huh. So that you can directly do that also. Okay. Now, guys, next one. You see quality profile, all of you. So, what is quality profile? So, guys, see here. We had a, let's say my project right now is Java. So, the rule number of rules we have 812. Do you think 812 got run on my source code? No, actually not. See, you may have thousands of rules, but I do not run thousands of rules. So who decide which rules should be run on my code and which rules should not be run? So that is decided by the senior developers of your project. They will sit at one day, one place, and every week they will do the review and stuff like that. And they will decide, okay, for my project, for my code, which are the rules I need it, which are the rules I don't need it. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah.
Hello. So
Yeah.
how do we do that? So that is done by the quality profile. So what is a quality profile? Quality profiles are a collections of rules to apply during analysis. Then you'll say, Rajesh, you have not created a quality profile. How did you run the analysis? So what has happened? Sonarqube has created one quality profile for each language actually, and named with the Sonar way only, and that is built in. You cannot delete that. So that means if your project, the project which is for Nokia X, your project is not having any quality profile, that means defaults will be used. Simple. So mine was here, Java. This was used. How many rules it has it? 472, 78. Updated, used. So now you say, Rajesh, okay, these are the built-in default and all stuff like that. But for my projects, I want to create my own quality profile. So what to do? Nothing. Go and create your own profile. And do you want to extend, copy, or blank? I'll go for the blank. And language, Java. This UI has little irritation now. New UI. Java name of DevOps school and create it. Guys, I created this one profile, DevOps school. Now you have to attach to the project also, right? So let me attach to this. So where is the project? Okay, here. It's not enabled right now. Why? Because the rules you see active 0 because of that. So can we activate? Okay, so I am acting like a senior developers, and okay, I want this rule of Java, enable it. I want this rule of Java, enable it, but I don't have the patience. I'll go bulk changes, activate in DevOps school, apply. So I blindly applied. This is a longer process actually, but I blindly did it. So now I did it. Go to the quality profile.
Ex- Yes, correct. Sir, exactly, because this rule we don't know in the code, because our code is not like small code, no, it is
Ha,
the
you
project.
don't know, but your developers will know actually. They will know what they need. Okay, so it's a manual process one by one. But right now I'm doing the bulk changes because of blindly. Okay,
Yeah, correct.
so if you do the blindly, then you get a false spam also, right? False flag also, right? False report.
Exactly, yeah, correct. Because if you miss the rule and that is existed in the project, it will not check that, no,
Yeah.
it will not.
Okay, so this project, this you have a 659. Now it's not enabled for any projects. So let me enable it. Change the project. Which one? Nokia X. I have only one project by the way. Now done. So did you created your own profile 659 and Nokia X and you enable it. What to do? Nothing. Run the scanner on the source code. Same. Mind it, earlier I had a what do you say? I missed this word. Three, let me say that. Three what? A code smell. Three code smells earlier here and on the overall code. Wait for it. So this new code you got a zero code smell, overall code 43. So now refresh. So see that you added the more rules and you got the other issues also. And here, see, suddenly jump in your issues. See overall code, suddenly you see jump. So earlier 3 to 43, 20 minutes to 3 hours, 24 minutes. Okay, and you can see the difference in the jump. You see that huge jump. Here it was 3, now it is 43. See that evolutions? That means your project is not going well. So yeah, now you need to fix it. So now if you see that measurement, in terms of measurement, earlier in terms of reliability, you have it. Maintainability, let me look at this. Maintainability, you got a score D actually. That means worse. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is something quality profile. Okay, so you can create your own profile and use of it. Now, next thing which you see is quality gates. What is a quality gates? So quality gates is like this. You see that here in the project you have a past here. So what is this and why it is passed? That's the question. What is this? Basically, what happens? Let's say I'm your manager, okay? And I keep sending you an email saying that, hey guys, write a good code, follow this process, follow that process, do this, do that. But you guys are not listening. So what I will do? Because I got tired. So what to do? So what I'll say, okay, I'm not going to send you an email for that. I'm not going to have a meeting on for that. Okay. I'm not going to remind you also. If you are writing a bad code, I will not take it. If you're writing a bad code, I will not take it up. I will not build it that code. I will not release that code. I will not test that code. So all the pressure goes back to you, development, without sending any communication. Are you understanding all of you? Hello.
Yes.
So how do we sit automated way? And that is where the quality gates will help you. So quality gate right now for Nokia X was passing because of there is one default gate and which has a very relaxed rule actually. So because of that it was passing. Can I create my own gate? So let me create a DevOps tool gate and I am going to be very strict. Save it. I'm creating my own and what conditions you have to add it? Add conditions on a new code, no overall code because I'm not changing the code, so there's no make any sense on the new code on overall code. And here, what was that code smell? Huh? Code smell. Yeah. So code smell. If you have more than 5, I'm not going to tolerate it. Add conditions. If bugs, bugs. If you have more than 1, I'm not going to tolerate it. Security issues, security ratings, and if it is B, I'm not going to tolerate it. So I set very strict policies. That means I'm not going to accept the this kind of stuff. And then which project it should apply? No cakes. Done. Now guys, remember that last scan it was success, passed. Now recent scan I'll do one more time. Just wait for a few seconds. Success, refresh. And now failed. Why it's failed, you will get to know. Oh my god. So failed has happened because of, you see, one condition failed, only one condition of 3 out of 3. So 5 code smell is allowed, but I have 43. That means you have to do something. Got it, all of you?
Yeah.
So guys, this is something which we have Sonarqube, where you can manage. Remember that I specified one very keyword, quality management tool. You can manage all of your project quality, all the issues you can manage, all the rules you can manage, all the quality profile you can manage, and all the quality gates managed for the organizations. And that's the reason we say quality management tool. Code coverage is also added, is this part of it, but it's the last topic, so I'm not covering. Here, any administration, what you can do. So I think not much to explore. Here you can add a users to the here to the Sonarqube. Here you can create a use group and then add a users to this and manage the permission using global permissions here, all users group and all, and permission template. Here you can manage all the projects, you can delete and all this thing, System just for the informational purpose. Here you can install the plugins and all, which I did it. Some configuration required right now. Just first learn the tool and then get into this configuration. This configuration like SMTP, a notification server and all stuff like that, it has to be done. SCM, here you can store the password of GitHub or GitLab or something like that. DevOps platform, here you can store the create an integration with the GitHub, Bitbucket, Azure, GitLab, some token and all, you can configure it, authentications. So you don't have to do again and again for different projects. So guys, did you understand that what is Sonarqube? All of you?
Yes, sir.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.